Hey friends, this is Atif Opir Val and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. On a daily time frame chart, Filecoin has broken out this falling wedge pattern, and after that it has re-entered the same up channel that was previously broken down. You can see that previously since after 27th of October it was moving inside this up channel, and here we broke it down here on 19th of January 2024, and after the breakdown the price was still moving inside this falling wedge pattern. In fact, we found the support and resistance of this wedge when it was moving inside this previous up channel. You can see we had a bounce here, rejection here, bounce here, rejection here, bounce here, and finally we broke it out. And after the breakout from this wedge, I've been telling you that the target can be here at the top of the wedge at $8.12. But before that, this previous resistance of the channel can also work as support of the channel can also work as a resistance. And you can see that we broke out this previous support of the channel as a resistance, and the price end has been retesting this level as a support again and again for several days. And finally, the price end has geared up, and now it is struggling to break out the resistance of this channel. Still, you can see that this previous resistance of the channel is working as a very strong resistance for the price end. For the past 3 days, it is struggling to break it out. And at the same time, it is also trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of $11.40. So far, by the way, from this low, when we were testing the support of the wedge up till this high, it has rallied more than 156%. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you these two breakouts from these two very huge falling wedge patterns. And in fact, when it was moving inside this previous biggest falling wedge pattern of Filecoin that it formed here and broke it out here in the month of January 2023, before the breakout, I have been telling you that after breaking out this long-term falling wedge pattern, we can expect a very long-term and massive rally. And so far from this low, when we were testing the support of this wedge here up till this high, you can see that it has rallied almost 390%. And during this rally, it has broken out another falling wedge pattern, and now it is trying to break out this up channel and this quite long-term resistance of $11.40. And we will also watch this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Bella protocol, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal, for example, this trade signal I shared on 25th of Feb 2024, you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Filecoin, and this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that since after 27th of October 2023, it was moving inside this up channel, and while moving between the resistance and support, finally we broke down the support here, but still it was moving inside in another bullish bias pattern. Therefore, I was telling you that after breaking out this bullish bias pattern, that was a falling wedge pattern, the price line can again try to re-enter the same up channel. And this previous support and resistance of the channel will be again working as a support and resistance for the price line. And you can see that after the breakout, this uptrend line that was in fact the previous support of the channel. And after break out this support as a resistance, the price line has been testing this level as a support several times and geared up. And now it has again reached the resistance of the channel, but still not able to break it out. This is third day and it is trying to break it out. At the same time, it is also trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of $11.40. And now if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this $11.40 has been working as a very strong resistance here. Therefore, again, it is working as a very strong resistance. And for the past 2 or 3 days, you can see that the price line is trying to break out this resistance. And we have already broken out, by the way, these two very huge falling wedges. This is the very huge, and this was another quite big falling wedge pattern. The target for this breakout from this wedge pattern was here at the top of this wedge. That was approximately at $9. And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that technical target is here at the top of this wedge. That is between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.